Hey there guys, Tyrese Joyner here. Happy motherfucking Monday. It's the beginning of July. It's the start of the second half. But I am a little worried about what's been going on in Fairbanks, Alaska. I mean, is Alaska really having this wildfire incident? Oh my. Well, according to Fairbanks News, I am starting to get a little worried about the people in Fairbanks, Alaska dealing with that wildfire incident. With all the smoke. Oh my. Well, at least I'm not in Fairbanks, Alaska anymore, lucky for me. But, damn, a lot of bad things are going on in Fairbanks, Alaska ever since I moved out of Fairbanks, Alaska 1 year ago. I mean, what the hell is going on in Fairbanks, Alaska with all these bad issues or bad incidents? Like a lot of bad people getting arrested, lots of fire, people getting shot at. What the hell is going on in Fairbanks, Alaska? And the most important thing that happened in Fairbanks, Alaska is this wildfire that happened all in Alaska. I mean, according to the Fairbanks, Alaska News, and Alaska's sustaining that wildfire smoke. I mean, what is going on? This is really getting weird. I mean, Fairbanks, Alaska, having a lot of these bad situations, bad scenes. I mean, I've been looking at these Fairbanks news report on Facebook to see what's been going on. Damn. What the hell is going on in Fairbanks, Alaska with these bad people keep assaulting, murdering people, especially sexual assault, sexual abuse, and also someone getting shot at, especially these fire issues. So, people in Fairbanks, Alaska, stay safe and soundly. Be safe from the fire and that smoke. I know I'm not a Fairbanks, Alaska local resident anymore, but I believe in you, Fairbanks, Alaska. Stay safe. All of you people in Fairbanks, Alaska. Same thing goes for other peoples in other cities of Alaska as well. Well, I gotta go now. I'm gonna start my YouNow live stream right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a good comment down below, and please share. And don't forget to follow me on not only YouNow, but Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As always, keep it real, my peeps, and stay in school. Bye-bye.